Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will learn how to create a Glassmorphism design in Figma. Interesting, right? Let's get started. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch the entire video to understand this concept thoroughly and implement the same in your design work. So let's get started. Here I am on my new design file in Figma. I'm going to create a frame here, a custom size. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to create another frame inside this frame. Before that, I'm going to generate some color patterns for my design. Here is a plugin named Color Palettes, where you can generate color palettes for free without even opening any extra tab. Here you can see a list of color palettes here. I'm going to select, I will select this. Okay, it will be automatically imported to your design. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to fill this frame using any of these colors. I will use this color. Okay, perfect. I think we can go with some dark colors. Okay, now I'm going to create another frame inside this frame, and for this frame I'm going to give a size here. Let's fill it with white color, and the size will be width of 402 and height of 610. Okay, sorry, width of 610 and height of 402. I think I need to resize this frame. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you'll create a glassmorphic design in this for this frame. Okay, you can see I'm going to reduce the fill color to 20%, and I'm going to introduce a stroke here. For people who don't know about what a stroke is, it will add a additional color to the border. It will create a border. You can also resize the border. I'm going to resize it as 1.2, and the border color will be white. I will give the corner radius of 25 to each and every corner of this frame. And the next thing, I'm going to introduce effects here. In the effects, select background blur and give a background blur of 27.71. Okay, that's all. We just created our glassmorphic design. I will just add some information here. Before that, I'm going to add 3 circles as a background for this. Then you can understand this concept very easily. Okay, let's pick a color for this. Okay. Control D for duplicating the circle. Okay, select another color, and again the same. Now we will select this color. Okay, perfect. So this is the glassmorphic design. Now let's fill out with some information. I already copied the logo of this chip. Before that, let's introduce layout grid in this frame. You can enable the layout grid by pressing the plus icon in the layout grid option. After that, select columns. The rows will be 12, or we can also go for 10, and the type will be center. Let's give them a width of 20 and getter of 70. Perfect. Now let's align this properly, and after that we will enter some code details. I'm entering some random information here. Let's change the size to 50. No, I think 35 is perfect here. And let's change the fill type to 50%. Perfect. Control D to duplicate the element, and now let's fill out the name, and let's change the size of this to 25. Align them properly, and again duplicate this, and here we will give the expiration date, just some random expiration date. Okay, perfect. So this is the Glassmorphic design that we have learned today, so you can implement the same in your designs. Thank you for watching this entire video. I hope this video helped you on how to design a Glassmorphic design in Figma. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.